Help me, Rhonda Tech here. A common thing that's been happening. You may have gotten an email from PayPal, Amazon, or another company saying that a charge was made to your account. Well, I got this email today, and it really does look legitimate. That's the scary part of it, because it has the email address at paypal.com. It has a phone number, but as I was telling the group today that I met with in the Stress-Free Tech and Tea Club, assume everything is a scam unless you prove it to be legitimate. Now, the first thing I do when I get an email like this is I don't call the phone number. I don't click on any of the links in the email. I go directly to my PayPal account in this case. So I'm going to go over to my PayPal account, and I logged in and I looked at my recent activity. As you can see, I do not have a charge for $549. So I know that this is not a real legitimate email. And so what I can do is report that email to PayPal. And so I went to PayPal and I looked in their help for report scammer and to report suspicious emails or websites. I'm going to forward the email to this email address, phishing with the PH at paypal.com. So I'm going to copy that email, and I'm going to go back into my email that I received from PayPal. Well, not really, but this scammer that is posing as PayPal, and I'm going to forward it. And see, they sent two of them actually in a row. So I have two here. So all I have to do in my Gmail is click on these three dots, click forward, and paste the email or type in phishing at paypal.com and just send that. Once I sent it, I will delete the email that was the scam or spam email that was sent to me by deleting the email. And I'll just click delete at the top and don't do anything else. I did my part. I sent it to PayPal. I did not click or call anyone that was in the email, and so I saved myself from getting scammed. Again, when you get an email from PayPal, Amazon, Microsoft, whatever, go directly to your account in that website. So in this case, I went to PayPal. I do not have that charge there, so I knew it was a scam. So I went over and I looked up where to send that. So you don't have to do that. You can just send it. Any emails that you get from PayPal that are suspicious, which everything is suspicious until proven legitimate. I knew that by going to my PayPal account because I did not have that charge. So go directly, log into the account, and forward the email to phishing, in this case at paypal.com, and delete it. And just beware, because there are a lot of these scams out there, and when you see a large amount of money, you just want to click on it or call, but then you get further scammed. And this has been a lot of horror stories that I've heard from people who have responded to these scam emails. So I hope this tip saves you some hardship and some money by not getting scammed. Until next time, we'll be back with some more tips. Help me, Rhonda Tech. Tips and simple steps to thrive in a digital world. Bye for now.